Welcome to Automotive Car Update, where horsepower meets innovation car. A Ferrari first, an SUV second. Ferrari's first ever SUV isn't just another high-performance hauler, it's a purebred prancing horse with supercar DNA. With a 6.5-liter, naturally aspirated V12, pushing 725 horsepower and 528 pound-feet of torque, the Purosangue hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and roars past 193 miles per hour, all while seating 4 in luxury. Design and interior. Elegance meets aggression. Its low-slung, sculpted body, suicide-style rear doors, and quad exhausts scream Ferrari performance. Inside, carbon fiber, Alcantara, and race-inspired bucket seats create a cockpit built for driving, with a passenger display adding to the thrill. SUV handle, like a track weapon. The V12's 8,250 RPM redline is pure music, while adaptive suspension ensures a smooth, refined ride when needed. Verdict: the ultimate performance SUV. The Purosangue isn't just an SUV, it's a Ferrari that happens to have 4 doors. It defies expectations, offering supercar thrills with everyday usability. If you want a practical Ferrari without compromise, this is it. Final score: 9.5 out of 10, the prancing horse's wildest creation yet.